this is Hans, and it's time for another episode of It's Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. Today we've got one from South Korea. This is the packaging for the United States, but yeah. Samyang Ramen. This is an absolute favorite of mine. It needs redone. It needs to look nice because it is nice. So that's what's happening today. 550 milliliters of boiling hot water kicking it. And the flake going in. And we'll do that for 4 minutes. So how are you? It's been a little while since I've done a review. I can't even remember how long it's been. I've just been doing. Not really in the mood to be doing reviewing or anything. Well, I did some other stuff. I did some unboxings recently, and I also did some. What did I do? I did unboxings, and I've done a couple, 3 actually, air fryer experimental doings involving ramen. And the third one came out the best of the 3. I don't know. It's kind of a tricky go. Is it really necessary to do these things? No, not in the slightest. Is it kind of fun to just kind of screw around with it and try to do something different? Yeah. So that's why I do this kind of weird stuff. It's the same thing with the making ramen bread and all that. I was thinking of making some more of that with leftover Halloween candy, and then I was just like, I don't feel like it. I don't know, I just haven't been in the mood to review. But soon, I'll be back to my old standard doings as far as reviewing goes. So yeah. Because it's fun. I think the other sachet goes in at this point too. Yeah. But this one's funny because there's so many people that say like, that Samyang company, they make them spicy noodles. All their noodles are spicy. No, this really isn't all that spicy. In fact, there's this version and then there's the spicy version. And I haven't been able to get a more local version of Samyang ramen in a while, and it's been driving me nuts, and I'm getting a little more lax on export version versus local version insofar as inclusion in the top 10. I can't really say anything more. That kind of gives it away, but yeah, this one is an absolute favorite of mine. It's been in top 10s before, so you'll see. You know, it'll happen sooner or later. But yeah, that will be coming up at some point, you know. But it's November now. It's November 6th. What's going on? It is dark and gray and cloudy. Yeah. The world has gone absolutely insane. That's kind of where it's all at, I think. Ah, crap. One moment. 2 of these that will get applied at the very end. That one, and I want that. Usually it's processed cheese that goes in this, but I'm going with the nicety. So yeah, I have this one as far as like recreationally having some instant noodles. I have this one pretty often. In fact, I think half dozen grocery delivery orders ago, I got a 5-pack of these, and I enjoyed all of them. So, yeah. But yeah, here it is. People are constantly saying, I don't know what flavor it is, but it's really good. And I had the same logic too. I was like, a really kind of funny flavor of a beef instant noodle. It's not beef. This is ham flavored instant noodles. Yep. The ham flavor is right for me. The ham flavor is right for me. I enjoy it thoroughly, and you will too. I enjoy it thoroughly, and you will too. There is our noodle. Again, still I need to get a new light. Nom nom. Nummy num num. Ooh. Yeah, I'm using the light from the camera that's here. Yeah, this is freaking, and it's spicy. They do also have a spicy version, but it's spicy enough. It's not like bye-bye face hole spicy, but it's got a kick. It's got a zing, a kick, and all that kind of jazz. God, is this thing even plugged in? Oh yeah. All right. So I'm gonna do this up the way that I would do it up for my personal consumption. As at the end of this, I will personally consume this. Okay, so we're gonna go, since it's ham flavor, we're gonna add something pork based. This is homemade chashu. See, I want to get these in as quickly as possible because I want to get that cheese that I alluded to earlier happening while this stuff is just violently hot. So there's our chashu, but I need to blowtorch. The last time I used the blowtorch wasn't on ramen or ramen. However, it was on the pumpkin I made this year for Halloween. I was about to say that this was going to be my last year of doing pumpkins. So I was just like, I don't feel like it. I don't want to do it. Getting all whiny and shit. And then all of a sudden, I'm like setting up everybody's pumpkins. It's like, dude, I better do my pumpkin. So I did my pumpkin, and I ended up very happy with my pumpkin doings. This is something that people ask me also. How do you get your egg looking so nice? Well, I'll tell you what, I really don't do anything to it. You hang out. Like literally, that's a raw egg. And I know some of you think, you're gonna get sick eating a raw egg, Ramen Rider, you're gonna die. No, I'm not going to die. This is pretty common stuff to do. I will be well. I'm not leaving this out for like a long time either. Gonna put a little bit of sesame seed in here. And a little bit of crushed red pepper. And this that is wonderful right there. And I plan on enjoying that pretty soon. There you go. watching, and yeah, that's it for me. I'm just doing one today, and I'll be back to reviewing in earnest soon. But yeah, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Don't worry, every day an episode of this show comes out, so have no fear. Have a good one. Bye bye.